Hey traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik here. Let us see the pre-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and some of stocks for trading tomorrow and what are the logic behind our analysis. Let us start with Nifty 50. As we discussed yesterday, our topic was will Nifty fall tomorrow. So that is what happened today. And once the price level has been breaking out the previous support area of 15,800, it started falling and hit all over two targets as we mentioned in our Telegram channel. And yes, let us see how to take the trade for tomorrow. And before that, so why did the Nifty fall today? All because of Nifty Pharma. The Nifty Pharma almost fall more than 4%. We could see here it is in 15 minutes time frame. The market started falling from the price of 14,700 to 13,900. Almost 800 points the Nifty Pharma fall. And India VIX rise from 12.50% to 13.50%, which is 1% higher. And only Nifty PSU bank sectors and Nifty metal sectors were the two sectors are in green today, and all other sectors were in red. Let us see how to take the trade for Nifty 50 tomorrow. So after a huge fall, the market was in a consolidation stage. So it almost closed 113 points below from the opening price. So we could only consider of buying when the price crosses above 15,773. Which is nothing but this is first resistance area and second resistance area is 15,820. So this is where the breakout happened. We could see here the market consolidated over this region and gave a breakout below 15,815 and now it made a consolidation in this price range. So accordingly 15,773 will be acting as a resistance, first resistance, and second resistance will be 15,820. So once when the market crosses above 15,770 level and sustains above it, we could go for a buy by keeping that candle's lower stop loss, and our target will be our next resistance, which is 15,820. On selling side, we could go for a selling once when the candle closes below today's low, which is 15,700. Once when a candle closes below 15,700, we could go for a selling. So it may fill the previous gap, which is around 15,675. And second target is our support, which is 15,635. So this is for Nifty 50. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty also made a consolidation stage over the price range of 34,750 to 34,800. So once when the market opens tomorrow flat or little gap up around the price of 34,850 and close with a bullish candle, you could go for a buy by keeping that candle's lower stop loss but with a minimum quantity because the resistance is very nearby. Our first resistance is around 34,927, 930. So that will be our first target. So go with a minimum quantity. Once when the prices sustains above this price level, you could add some other quantities for our second target, which is around 35,050. And also tomorrow is on Wednesday, so the market will be hugely volatile. So trading with a minimum quantity will be a much safer side. And you could go for a sell once when the market crosses below 34,720 level. Keep the candle's highest stop loss and go for a sell, and our target may be our support area, which is 34,600. So this for Nifty Bank, and our next stock is Asian Paints. So after a large fall, Asian Paints has made a consolidation over this area. So once when the price breaks out of this box, if it breaks on the top side, which is around the price of 3,035, you could go for a buy by keeping the candle's lower stop loss. Which candle breaks above the box, that candle's lower stop loss, and go for a buy, and your target will be 3,048. And if a candle closes on the bottom side, it means giving a breakout on the bottom of the box, keep that candle's highest stop loss and go for a sell, and your first target will be 3,005 or 3,007, sorry, yeah, 3,007 as your first target, and second target will be a support area. This is very good support area around 2,983. And the next stock is IOC. So you could go for a buy once when the market opens flat or around the price of 104 and close with the bullish candle. Keep that candle's lower stop loss or else keep the 103.50 stop loss and go for a buy, and your target will be 105, and second target will be 105.50, that is around 1 just 0.5 points, nothing much. And you could go for a sell once when the market closes below. If a candle closes below today's low, which is around the price range of 103, keep that candle's highest stop loss and go for a sell, and your first target will be around 102.50 and second target will be 101.50. And our next stock is Shree Cements. In Shree Cements, you could only go for a buy once when the prices crosses above 28,000. When it crosses above 28,000, you could go for a buy, and your target will be 28,250 and 28,350. And on another selling side, you would go for a sell once when the candle closes below to 27,750 level and sustains there. You could keep that candle's highest stop loss and go for a sell, and your target will be 27,500 and second target will be 27,350. So this is all about the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market. Hope you have liked the video. As I mentioned earlier, tomorrow Wednesday is a volatile market, so go with the minimum quantity. Once you confirm the trend, add some more quantities. That will be much safer. Hope you have liked the video, and also as I mentioned earlier, you could also check my Telegram channel. I will post this screenshot. Whichever I mentioned in this YouTube channel, I will be mentioning it by a screenshot in my Telegram channel, so that you could use that for a future reference. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading. Thank you.